Hello friends, in this video we are learning about the magnitude comparator. So in a magnitude comparator we compare the magnitude. Here is two inputs A and B and three outputs A greater than B, A less than B and one is for A equal to B. When both inputs are equal then A equal to B becomes 1. When A is greater than B then A greater than B output becomes 1. And when A is less than B then A less than B output becomes 1. So friend, equation for A greater than B is A and with not B, and equation for A less than B is not A and with B, and equation for A equal to B is not A and with not B plus A and with not B, that is equal to A XNOR B. So let's start to simulate magnitude comparator by using a protist. Here is a logic state for inputs. This is for logic state for input. This is for A, this is for B. Here is NOT gate for not A and not B. The equation of A greater than B is A and with not B. So here is AND gate, A and with not B. And second AND gate is for A less than B. The equation is not A and with B. Not A and with B. An equation for A equal to B is equal to A XNOR B. This is a NOR gate. This is a logic flow for indication of output. This is for A greater than B, this is for A less than B, and this is for A equal to B. So friend, let's start to run this by using a play option. When both inputs are 0, 0 means both inputs are equal, then A equal to B becomes 1. When A is greater than B, then A greater than B becomes 1. When A is less than B, then A less than B becomes 1. And both inputs and 1, 1, then A equal to B becomes 1. So friend, by using a magnitude comparator, we can compare the two inputs. So this is a logic